Welcome, today in front of me Redmi 12R and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's just open first our panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons, we should just find edit icon, tap on it, and you'll see here this down section with invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. To remove icons from the panel, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. To change the positions of the icons, we should just hold the icon and drag it. If you want to reset the changes, click to reset, or to save the changes, just tap to done. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.